Here we go. Here we go.
Chatty.
Birthday hair, big 25.
Okay. Oh. Okay, so today, you guys, she's back. Doing her hair for her birthday. I think she already saw it.
I did it. I was looking down.
Yeah. Okay, so today we have my client Tyra. Her birthday is in a few days. Well, it's a few days from when I did her hair. It has already passed now, but she does not know what hairstyle she is getting or any of that. But when I pull the wig, she's not even gonna know how the wig looks because I put a blanket over my mirror. But once I apply the wig, she's gonna know at least it's a wig. But she don't know what color, she don't know what texture, she don't know what length. I took the viewfinder off my camera. I didn't let her go to the camera in her phone. I'm so happy nobody FaceTimed her, because I was gonna be like, no, this is not happening. But her color now with her hair is red, so I was like, the wig has to be red. So I did have the shade on my light set to like a more warmer shade, but I feel like for skin tones like this, it can be in the middle or white, but that's why the color is showing up like this. It is not this red. It was more so a cherry red, if anything. So I got this wig off Amazon. I was going to do her a quick weave, a glueless quick weave, and I wanted to do the layers and stuff like that. But, y'all, I did not feel like coloring bundles. Then the bundles that I was seeing online, you know, people, they post ugly pictures and reviews. Plus, they look thin. I didn't want to deal with that. And then pack hair, you might as well spend the price on good quality bundles. But I'm just marking along the lines of where I need to put the glue at. Also, I plucked her hairline. Basically, I was trying to give like a more natural, not just a straight across type of hairline. I should have chose her hairline instead of doing the widow's peak, but I wanted to try something different. And why not try something different? Like, this is a completely free hairstyle. You don't have to pay for your hair to get done, and you don't even have to buy the hair. So hell yeah. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep trying to basically lay it down, and then I'm gonna notice that I messed up because her hair on the side that I'm on now comes out way further than the side that you all can see. So I'm gonna pick it up in a minute and basically relay it.
We're at a table.
No looky, no touchy, no none of that. That's exactly why I took it off there.
Another word you don't like.
Y'all see the vision? It is kind of blurry. Wait till y'all see it at the end. This is an Amazon wig. Not even gonna lie, it's a 13 by 6. I'm using even spray to basically help melt it some more. It's a 13 by 6, but it wasn't a full 13 by 6, and the hairs were short in the front. The last time she got hair from me and I installed it, it wasn't really long. And honestly, you guys, I think this was a 22 or 24 inch that I purchased, and it's not giving that. At least it's not measuring up to my bundles. Like, the hair that I have in my head in this video is 26 inches. And her and we're close in height. She may be a tad bit shorter than me, but you see how far 26 inches comes on me? And this wig, I don't know. Definitely like the frontal part, it wasn't giving. It wasn't giving because I just felt like it was sparse. But anyways, I digress. So I'm gonna just keep trying to perfect the part. And then I can't wait for y'all to see her reaction. It's really crazy. She did not know what it was at all. Like, y'all could probably see it in the video. Like, she was so anxious. She was so scared. But trust the process. Trust the process. Then I hate the fact that the video got blurry, but I'm just using a little bit of alcohol as I pull the band off. I noticed that helped too, to help with like glue residue. But y'all see how long my hair is, and like I said, it's a freaking 26 inch. It is custom made, like I made it myself, but still. There we go.
Get into it.
Yep. Lean your hair down. Okay. It's like, oh wait a minute. The part is straight. I just didn't talk a little bit.
Is that a joke?
You got the hair everywhere.
Sure. Please, I've apologized like 20 times.
This is you looking up.
Please, I'm begging.
This is so weird. This is like my first surprise hairstyle.
She's just a baby.
I guess you would say birthday. I've done a few for my sister.
Oh, my sister.
Y'all see what I'm talking about, like at the front? But look at how I pluck this, and this is not HD lace. I wish it was. I don't even think it's transparent, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep trying to like curl it, make sure both sides match up pretty well, and do a little bit of layers in the front. The hair got really oily because I used the wax stick. Didn't even use that much, but it's time for the big reveal, and mommy is falling asleep. Okay, but yeah, we about to show her.
Time is. I think it looks good.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be longer.
It's okay. It's giving. I'll tell you when you see it what it's giving.
Yeah, and then you see how I did like the plucking.
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't look at what type of lace it was. I don't think it's HD though. But yeah, you ready?
Yes. All right.
She don't know what texture, what length, color, none of that. Would you be mad if it's blue?
Her damn dress is blue green, so
Exactly. So no, I wouldn't be mad.
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go. Hey, girl. I like it.
Got your widow's peak.
look, I told her, I said, it's giving what we was trying to do when we dyed your wig.
Yeah.
It was like, I think for your 18th birthday or whatever.
Yeah, it was 18.
7 years later, full circle.
I like it. I feel like, what you call it, y'all off of Teen Titan.
Oh.
What I hear like in the bio picture? But it's coming.
I think so. I know who you talking about. It's just not coming. The picture not coming here. What are you talking about though?
I can't think of her name. Okay, give me some pictures.
I never had a widow's peak. Okay.
Very cute.
Very cute. Very demure. Very mindful.
Don't look at the camera. You know I don't know what to do.
Look in the light and blind yourself.
Okay.
Don't do that for me. Kitty.
Birthday hair, big 25.
Okay.